Saira ma'am.
Saira. Start our class, beta. Come on, join your heart. Close your eyes.
Saira ma'am.
Sairam.
Sairam ma'am.
Sairam to all.
Sairam ma'am. Sairam
We
ma'am.
have completed our
Sairam
chapter.
ma'am.
The poem. Sairam, beta. Sairam to all of you. Okay. Now, if you are having your book with you, then open page number 166. Reading is fun because questions are left. Okay, take out some your book. Open page number 166 in old book and just take it out. Reading is fun. Reading is fun. Look at it. Take a pencil in your hand also so that you can write the answers there itself.
मैम कौन से चैप्टर का?
The naughty boy. The naughty boy. Beta. We have not completed the question and answer session of these this chapter. Okay. This poem we have not done this. So just take it out.
मैम अभी हम बुक में
Reading
लिख
is
लेते हैं आंसर फिर बाद में लिखेंगे ना कॉपी में.
yes, beta. Yes, that is
Okay,
right.
ma'am.
Take pencil in your hand and afterwards you can put down in your copy. Okay. Now first question. From where did the naughty boy come? Yes.
Scotland.
I will ask. I'll ask.
Okay मैम.
Okay. Then write down in complete sentence. Naughty boy came from
Scotland.
Scotland. Yes. Sure. Sure.
No
Sure.
ma'am, from England.
Yes, from England. He came from England, not from Scotland. The naughty boy came
मैम
from
कौन सा पेज नंबर?
England.
The naughty boy go run away to Scotland.
Better take the unit 10 last one. You will get the page number also there. Come on, just open it up.
In new book page number. मैम कौन सा पेज नंबर है?
पहले आप नोटी बॉय को क्लास में जाओ जहाँ एक्सरसाइज होती है. रीडिंग इज फन कहाँ लिखा है. जस्ट don't tell nobody. Let them find out. मिला नम्र. हमें पता है कि हम कौन सी चीज पढ़ रहे हैं, तो हमें पता है एक्सरसाइजेस भी कहाँ हैं, है ना. Just take it out. Reading is fun. The first question we have discussed just now.
मैम लिखना भी
Got
है.
it? विनम्र. बिल्कुल लिखना है. लिखना है. You have to write बेटा. है ना, आपको लिखना भी है. Coming to the next one. Where did the naughty boy go?
In Scotland.
कहाँ गया था?
Scotland.
Okay, fine. Okay.
The naughty boy went to Scotland.
हाँ. Who said?
Scotland. When the naughty boy go to the Scotland. The naughty boy. The naughty boy went to Scotland.
Yes. Went to Scotland. He went to Scotland. Because it is there, past tense of go is went. Past tense of come is came. So,
The naughty
naughty
the
boy.
question here is given that the naughty boy went to the Scotland. So we have to use past
The
past
naughty
tense.
boy went to past tense. Yes. Past tense of verb. Okay. Now, third one. Very simple questions are there. Where did he go? Why did he go there? Just wait. Advita. Advita,
Yes, ma'am.
why did he go there? Answer of the question.
He goes Scotland to see people.
He went to Scotland to see.
Ma'am, can I answer? People.
Udita.
Yes,
beta,
ma'am.
correct? Yes, Udita. Come on.
The
Answer
naughty
of
boy
third
went
question.
The naughty boy went to Scotland to see the people, how the how are the yata, how the and how the Scotland is. Ma'am, Amolika.
To see the people there and the things in the Scotland. Okay. To see people and the things of that place or in the Scotland. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, we can also write like this that the naughty boy go to Scotland to see the
Scotland.
difference.
Went to Scotland to see the difference.
From England.
To see the differences or to find out the difference between England and Scotland. Okay. To see the difference between Scotland and England. Yes, Ritima.
Ma'am, the naughty boy go there to see the new things like went there.
Went there. He went there to
Scotland.
He went there
to He went there to see the pupils, their huts, and the place. And that place.
Okay, fine. You can add all the things which you have read in the poem, okay? You can add that particular things which you have read. Coming to the next one. What did the boy wonder about? Now, let me ask. Sanket is there? Yes, Sanket. Sanket? Fourth question, beta.
Yes,
Tell me the answer.
Ma'am, the naughty boy wonder about that my country is better than Scotland.
Very good. Yes. Next, Shantanu. What is the answer of fourth question? Shantanu, can you answer it, beta?
Ma'am, I can.
Just wait, beta. Just wait. Let me ask us because they don't open their mic even. Anshuman Malik.
Yes, ma'am.
Fourth question, beta. What is the answer of the fourth question?
Ma'am, the boy wondered about how strong are their doors. Ma'am, the boy wondered about the doors are strong as the country of his country also.
Okay, fine. Yes, Udita.
The naughty boy wondered about that England and Scotland is almost same, and the things and the people he found there.
Okay, good.
Ma'am,
Akshita is there? Akshita, answer the question, beta.
Country. Ma'am, me.
Akshita,
She is in the class.
Durva,
Amolika.
Durva.
She is also.
Just wait, beta, just wait, because you people always answer the questions. That is why I'm asking to others. Okay, they are not opening their mic even, beta, many a times. Okay, let's wait. Durva, come on, beta, fast, fast, speak loudly, loudly, beta.
मैम
हाँ,
मेरे को
yes.
नहीं पता कि क्योंकि मैं बाहर गई थी तो मेरे को ये सब कुछ नहीं पता।
अरे सब ट्राई ट्राई। किस चीज को देखकर उसे आश्चर्य हुआ? What did the boy wonder about?
मैम अक्षिता
क्यों
has
उसको आश्चर्य
written in
हुआ?
the
क्या
chat
सोच
box that
रहा?
my mic is not opening.
Mic is not opening. Okay, okay, no problem. Our mic is not working at all. Okay, that is okay. Anyone? Okay, Durva. Yashashvi, you are saying something, no? Come on. यशस्वी क्या बोल रहे थे आप? रिपीट करो फटाफट। यथार्थ।
Yes, ma'am.
फोर्थ क्वेश्चन।
The boy wondered.
यथार्थ फोर्थ क्वेश्चन। हाँ, wondered, wondered. The boy wondered about. Not good. हाँ,
Ma'am,
यथार्थ जल्दी बोलो बेटा।
ma'am, now is my mic opening?
Okay, okay, okay. After यथार्थ। Okay, after यथार्थ।
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ। यथार्थ, I'm not able to hear you, beta. What are you saying? I'm not able to get you.
The boy wondered
Okay, Akshita.
about.
Yes, ma'am.
Akshita.
Yes,
हाँ,
ma'am. The boy wondered
come on.
about that the
Hmm.
things in Scotland are same as the things in England.
Yes. Okay. For example, afterwards you can give examples also. Okay. So you have
Yes,
given
ma'am.
good answers.
Like
Sanket
their
also.
ground are same as the England. Their doors are made up of wood like England.
Yes. This way you have to write your answer. Okay. Give examples. Got it? Now coming to the next one. Let's talk. Let's talk. Okay. Third question we have already done as an activity. Yes. Coming to the first question, what do you think the naughty boy would see in India? If that boy would come to India in place of Scotland, okay, then what all things he would see in India? Sonam, can you tell the answer? Sonam? What do you think?
Yes, ma'am.
What all things? इंडिया में आके naughty boy क्या क्या देखेगा?
Yes,
क्या
ma'am.
देखेगा इंडिया में naughty boy? Yes, ma'am. क्या yes, ma'am? What is the answer?
Can we read the question?
If the naughty boy
What do you
went to
think the
India,
naughty boy would see in India? इंडिया में क्या देखेगा वो? अरे बी फास्ट। हम क्लास में जो पढ़ते हैं उसको घर में रिवाइज नहीं करते। आई थिंक सो, है ना वर्तिका? वर्तिका, वर्तिका,
Ma'am, can I?
हाँ, no answer from Vartika also. Samar,
ma'am, Udita.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Vartika, for ये स्टॉक का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन What is the answer of the first question? What all things that naughty boy would see in India? Because अगर आपको नहीं आता तो no कर दो कि I don't know the answer.
मैम
Just हाँ और क्या बोल रहे हो क्या? No. समर्थ.
मैम
What is the question, Samarth? Did you pay attention? What is the question? Give me the answer now.
What do you think the naughty boy would see in India?
Yes. Answer the question now.
Yes, they are in a naughty boy see in India.
What all things he would see? क्या क्या देखेगा वो इंडिया में आएगा तो?
Ma'am, no idea.
मतलब हमें इंडिया के बारे में नहीं पता. सात्विक,
मैम
can you answer fast?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you be ready.
The naughty
ठीक है,
boy.
किसी का भी नाम ले सकते हैं.
I'm already ready with my answer.
The naughty boy see in India some people, shops, houses,
Okay,
river.
very good. Okay,
मैम
Navya. Yes, Satvik, good beta. Navya. Manasvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Hitansh.
Ma'am,
Okay, Manasvi. What is the answer? Yes, Manasvi.
the naughty boy.
Hmm.
The naughty boy see in India
Hmm.
the language is different for his country
Hmm.
and the houses are different than his country, etc.
Hmm. Okay. Hitansh.
yes मैम
Hmm. Answer the question, beta.
Ma'am, repeat the question.
No. Atharva. Atharva.
Navya has also written that ma'am my mic is not opening.
Navya has written that in chat. Anish.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer the question. What question we are discussing? Hmm?
I don't know the answer.
Not paying attention. Ananya.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer the question, beta. Give me the answer.
Yes, ma'am. The boss is the tent of poor people. मैम मंदिर को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं?
Temple. Temples.
The boys see many temples, and the boys see
Hmm.
the boys see
Okay, fine. Amolika.
Yes ma'am. The naughty boy see in India. If naughty boy come to India, so the naughty boy see that there is so many types of peoples like Punjabi and some are non-veg, some are vegetarians, and the naughty boy guessed that the girls are not in India. The girls has not so bright face. There is simple color face.
Okay. Sanket,
Ma'am,
Yes,
now
ma'am. The naughty boy would see villages and houses of India.
very good. Yes, coming to Akshita.
ma'am, now my mic is open.
Just wait, beta Navya, just wait. है ना? Akshita,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can Udita?
same question. I'll ask you also.
Ma'am, repeat the question.
Let's talk first.
Riddhima.
Let's
What
talk
do you
first
think?
question.
The naughty boy would see in India.
Yes, ma'am. The naughty boy would see the many religions people like Sikhs and more. And he would see temples, churches, many farmers, their farms, and many animals.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
And he would see
Good.
Ma'am Udita?
Yes. Yes. Afterwards, Riddhima.
I have two answers of this question. The naughty boy would see everything same in India, or the naughty boy would see types different types of people and different places, different cities, different states, the culture and the food, etc.
Okay, good. Riddhima.
Ma'am Advika.
boy see in the India in the different types of houses, different kinds of people like Bengali, Gujarati, Rajasthani, Punjabi, etc. And he sees the farmers that works in the field or crops and and see some shops such as shop such as mall,
Advika.
etc.
Riddhima. Good, good. Advika.
Yes, ma'am. If naughty boy come to India, he would see different types of monuments, hotels, many types of food, and dresses also.
Okay, you can add many more things like culture, forts, palaces, different people, slum areas, cities, villages, farms. Okay, many things.
This also.
Even different people, different type of culture. Culture means the food habits, the dressing sense, everything. Festivals, different festivals. Okay.
मैम
So,
भाषा भी
all these things.
भाषा को क्या बोलते हैं?
Languages. Yes,
Language.
So, you
Languages,
would
yes,
see
ma'am.
so many things which are different from his own country. Okay. Now, next is your experience. Have you been to another place recently? What is it like? How it is different from your own place? Okay, if you have been to some other place, you can write your experience. Like Udita has gone to Kolkata, so she can write about Kolkata. Okay, what is the difference between MP and Kolkata? Same way, if others have been to some other places during the Diwali vacations, so you can write
मैम
your
what
own
is the
experience.
meaning of
Okay?
recently?
अभी just now. Now.
Okay,
ठीक
ma'am.
है अभी थोड़े समय पे Okay, coming to the next portion of it, make sentences. I am presenting my screen. Okay. Hmm. Yes. Write opposites of these are the words that are there in the book in your poem. See, noun meaning opposite of found is lost. Hard, soft.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
Yes, ma'am. Your screen is not visible. Yes, ma'am. Your
Visible,
screen is
not
not
Ma'am,
visible.
my
Photo
name
of
is
your name is
Station Pratima
ma'am, your
Kumar.
screen is not visible. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, your screen is not and your name is not green.
And your name.
Ma'am, your
Is
photo
it
and your
visible now?
screen is
Now,
yes, ma'am. Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, it is not.
Now it is visible.
Ma'am, we can write it.
You can write it down. In the book itself, in the poem, you can find out the word and you can note down the opposite of that.
Yes, ma'am.
Might be knowing the opposite. Okay. Mary means opposite of Mary is naughty, decent. चुपचाप रहने वाला बच्चा, there are many children in your class. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, happy means merry.
Yes, happy means merry. That is why we say Merry Christmas. You can also say Happy Christmas.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Happy
you can
Christmas.
use that method also. In place of happy, you can write merry also. Be merry. It is not marry, it's merry.
Happy Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Ma'am,
Uh,
but
Yes,
in
beta.
your screen, the opposite of Mary is okay, ma'am.
Sad.
हमें तो ऐसे भी लिखा हुआ है.
मैम वो
Okay.
अपोजिट है क्योंकि
Ma'am, these
the
are
meaning
all
of
opposite
Mary is
words.
happy.
Like found,
These
Yes.
are
lost,
antonyms.
hard, soft, long, short, friendly, light, naughty, decent, merry, happy.
Shall we move further?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Let us
ma'am.
what is
Yes,
Yes, of course, ma'am.
Okay. You have to write the past tense. If you have understood what is the past tense of these words, because many a times we have done in many chapters. Okay, see, saw,
Yes, ma'am.
So,
stand,
stand,
stood,
Ma'am.
stood, stood,
stood,
ma'am, stood,
wonder, wondered,
wondered,
yes,
wonder, find,
found,
Found. by,
bought,
and what is the
sell,
past tense of
run, eat, come, sang,
came, sang,
see, saw, stand,
sang,
stood,
sang,
wondered, find, found, buy, bought, sell, run, ran, ate,
can, eat,
Okay,
eating,
now I am going to ask you, okay, make sentences. Yes, Advika, boy and naughty. Advika,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
make a sentence. Make a sentence using these two words, boy and naughty.
Ma'am, can you go in back page?
Better no other person will speak in between, okay? Advika will sing. Yes.
The boy is very naughty.
I-
Ma'am, the poem boy is very naughty.
Who said this?
Ma'am,
Who said this?
he said this.
Manasvi, why are you speaking, beta? I'll ask you also, na? Just wait.
What did she say?
Can I
Puri
tell
boy.
my sentence?
Boy and naughty. Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. I read a story of a naughty boy.
Very good. Advita?
Rabe.
Advita?
Yes, ma'am.
Scotland and sea. Scotland and sea.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, Advita is not in the class.
Huh?
Advita is not in the class. Advita,
Advita is not in the class.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Only Advita.
No problem. No problem. Aishwarya? Aishwarya,
is not visible.
you can hear me better. Ridhima, can you hear me?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I'm saying the words. I'm speaking the words also. Listen to it. Okay? Song and okay. Sorry. Aishwarya, Aishwarya, open up your mic. Unmute yourself. Ajay, no response. Akshita, second one beta. Scotland.
Yes, ma'am. I see the Scotland on words map.
Yes, very good.
Ma'am,
Amolika,
Advita?
Amolika.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
People and ground. People and ground.
I see some pupils in ground, on ground.
Ananya, people and ground.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you
Ananya, come on, beta. Same word.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
People are walking in the ground.
Yes, very good. Anish, pound and hard.
I found
Anish?
my tie really hard.
I found my
Shell.
I found my
shell. It is very hard.
okay.
can Advita?
Anshuman, just wait, beta. Just
Yes,
wait.
ma'am.
Song and merry.
Ma'am, I sing. Ma'am, I was singing a song very merrily.
Okay, very good. Coming to the next Atharva. Same word, song and merry. No response.
Ma'am, I
Atharva.
can tell the answer.
Durva. Song and merry. No.
Yes, ma'am.
Song and merry. Speak the sentence, beta.
Ma'am. Song in Mary.
Ah.
I am Mary.
Manasvi.
I don't know, ma'am.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible.
I stopped presenting, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Manasvi. Song and merry.
Song and merry, ma'am.
Hmm.
I am singing a song for using word merry.
You have to use that word in the meaning, in the sense. Navya,
Yes, ma'am.
Hitansh is not there.
Durva.
Just wait, Durga, just wait. Chalo. कहाँ गया song and Mary? England and wondered. Navya, England and wondered. 2 words, England, wondered.
Okay, ma'am.
Hurry up, be fast. Okay, think about it, Riddhima. England and wondered.
Ma'am, I wondered about the England.
I wondered about the England. Okay, fine. Satvik, same word, England, wondered.
I go to England.
Hmm.
I go to England
Hmm.
because
Hmm. Make small sentences, beta, so that you cannot
Ma'am, can Advita?
make mistakes, beta. Okay, if your sentences are small, you can.
Ma'am can sing.
Okay. Samarth,
Yes,
same word, beta. England and wondered. Can you make sentence out of it? England and wondered.
Ma'am, meaning of wonder?
आश्चर्य होना, चौंकना, आश्चर्यचकित होना, surprised. Wondered means surprised. Okay, just wait.
Ma'am, can Advita?
Okay. Okay, Sanket, come on.
Ma'am, I were wondered the England country are so beautiful.
I wondered that England country is so beautiful. Okay, fine, good. Wooden door. Shantanu, wooden door. Why Shantanu is not responding today? Is there any problem? Left the meeting.
Ma'am, now.
Okay, Udita. Udita.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Wooden door.
Yes, ma'am. In England, I went to see England last year, where I found that most most houses have wooden doors there.
Yes, very good. Okay. Try to change the sequence of the words. You will get a new sentence. Okay, try to do this. Yes, beta. Next is Samarth. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. England
Hmm.
is a wonderful country.
I wandered to see beautiful England. Okay, good. At least you tried. Vartika,
Yes, ma'am.
ran shoes. Ran and shoes.
Ma'am,
Ran
Samarth.
Ma'am, ran on and with shoes.
Okay, good. Vinamra, ran shoes. No. Yashashvi, ran shoes. Beta, come on, try to give response.
Ma'am,
गलत भी बोलोगे, I don't mind. But बोलो, बोलना जरूरी है. यथार्थ, naughty boy.
naughty boy.
Yatharth is a naughty boy. Is it? Is it? No response. Okay, so make sentences, you can add many more words. Okay, you can add many more words and you can try for it. You can make your own sentences using different words, okay? In all the chapters, in all the units, okay? Not
Ma'am,
only, Advita? Yes,
Choose
beta.
it very fast.
मैम आपको नेशन की नेशनैलिटी मैम आपको नेशन की नेशनैलिटी भी तो पूछनी थी ना.
हाँ, तो आप लोगों ने तैयार किया ही नहीं था उस दिन, ओके? कल पूछ लेंगे, ओके?
Yes, ma'am.
You have ready
Yes,
for
ma'am.
you have ready you have done that.
Prepared, ma'am.
Have you done that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am. I have found some nationality.
Okay,
I
very
have
good.
to write it.
Okay, so tomorrow I will do in the class. Okay. Tomorrow we'll do in the class. Okay, beta.
Ma'am, but why not today?
find 10 nationalities.
Why not today? I am having next class at 11, beta. 11:05. Okay, I have to join that.
have
Okay, आपने से-
nationalities.
So you can take class. So you can take class. Near about what is the time? It is just now. It is just 10:40.
10:42. Afterwards, I have to send attendance also, recording also, and I have to go to the next to the KG wing to take the other class.
Ma'am.
We have to rush from here to there in your classes. Okay, here I am taking in 4th B, I am taking the class of 4th standard. Then that side I have to take the class of 7th and 8th. Okay,
Ma'am, can you take our class at 7:30 p.m.?
7:30. Why? Why 7:30
for
p.m.?
asking nationalities?
For oh my God. No, tomorrow. Be prepared. Tomorrow
एंड होगी ना तो घंटा घंटा सोएंगे.
tomorrow I'll give you Google Form also, but before that we'll discuss about the nationality and nations. Okay? Got it, beta?
मैं thought that
Okay, no
nationality
problem.
and
तब तक मैं थोड़े और जोड़ लूंगी. मैंने तो
हाँ, जोड़ लेना.
45 ही की है. 45 ही की है.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I
मैंने
have
तो अभी
find only
45
10
किए हैं,
nationalities.
और बाकी जोड़ लूंगी.
नो प्रॉब्लम. और भी बच्चे कर रहे हैं, सभी कर रहे हैं. और अद्विता ने बोला था कि हम बहुत सारे ढूंढ के रखने वाले हैं. तो कल सभी
बहुत
को
सारे
challenge-
ढूंढ के तो रखे हैं मैंने. 45 के ऊपर.
ओके, ठीक है. तो देखते हैं कितने सारे डिस्कस करते हो, कितने अपने को पता है ना. ठीक है. ओके, लेट्स डू शांति पाठ. शांति शांति शांति. साई राम.
Sarah ma'am, thank you ma'am. Bye ma'am.